Okay, we are going to open an account. Here you can enter your email address. Okay, I enter my email address. Password. Google. Okay, you can choose your own password or use a strong password given by Google. Okay, I use the password given by Google. Or you can simply register with Google. Okay, the password can contain. Okay, I only use my account to log in. Okay, I confirm. So the account is already open. Until you can see the different level up. As a first user, I am in the level 0. You can earn up to 100. No. Okay, at this level, you have some point to earn. You can earn 1,000 points. Okay, privilege for the next title, level bonus 5%. Okay, today you can claim, every day you can claim some dollars. That's very interesting, guys. So this platform is a very very opportunity. Okay, by browsing, you can earn by browsing, by visiting other websites. There is some offers you can try to do with your phone, iPhone, Android. Okay, you can take surveys, advertise, affiliate, leaderboard, history. Okay, guys. So if you have a website, a blog, you can advertise with CoinpayU. So if you want only to earn money, you can only take surveys, offers, and PTC. PTC means paid to click. So when you click, when you visit a website, when you watch a video, this platform pay you for your click. So for example, I'm gonna try to browse. You can earn, for example, this is a website. You can earn six points only for 30 seconds by visiting this website. Okay, so I confirm my country. I confirm. Congratulations, your country is updating successfully. Okay, right now I can watch these ads. Okay, so any link server to advertising is not endorsement. Okay, I'm gonna try to visit another one. Okay, you can see the link is opening in the new tab. Okay, so after the timing, the point, you're gonna be credited. So if you see, the timing is working, guys. Okay, the timing is working. So I think there is a minimum time you have to do in this website to be credited. Okay, the time is up. Okay, you have earned 5.7 coins. Okay guys, so you can make this every day, you can make it every day. So my balance cash out is 5 points. So what about the cash out? After earning a lot of points, you can choose to be paid by gift cards or crypto. So what if I choose crypto? Let me see. So before the before this, you have to fill your wallet address in the profile first. So I just created the account, but I need to fill my profile and enter my Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Litecoin address, crypto address. So for example, if I take surveys, okay, there is a surveys theorem which 30%, CPX research 100%, BitLabs 100%. So there is a history of the last earners. For example, this user have taken his reward for 11 points. Okay guys, so I think that's enough for you to see what you have to know. For example, if I open this offer, okay, there is no survey available currently. There are no surveys available, but you can come back at a later time, so you can refresh. Okay, there is no offers surveys. Okay, let me try another one. We are not available in your country yet, so my country is not available for this survey. So let's try another one. So in my country there is no more surveys that are available for me. So I don't know which country you are from, so you can try to do it. The offers, what about the offers? So the offers from partners, from CoinpayU partners, for example AdSense Media, AdGet Media, you can try to earn about. So CoinpayU use only points. You can convert points to dollars, point to Litecoin, to Dogecoin, at your choice guys. So I already earned 5 points. Let me see. I buzzing. Okay, buzzing. You can watch video. Okay, so let me see. Okay, for 30 seconds. Okay, I have to wait for 30 seconds to earn these points guys. So CoinpayU is a very big website like Bitcotask to earn money online guys. So in the next video I will talk about Faucet Pay, okay, Bitcotask, Faucet Pay, CoinpayU, and Bitcoin ads also. So 11 points already paid. So guys, thank you for watching. I will make a next video to talk about PTC ads or PTC platform like CoinpayU, Bitcotask or Faucet Pay. Ciao.